Hey guys, we're going to be talking about creating a CMA using the CMA Toolkit. Quick guide. So to find CMA Toolkit, we're going to Menu, Productivity Hub, and we're going to scroll down to the CMA Toolkit, or Toolkit CMA. This one right here. All right. And the CMA is going to be really good when you're going for listing presentations and you want to show data on your findings in a nice, logical, ordered, professional fashion. Okay. So CMA Toolkit right here. Click that, create presentation. And then you can go right here to presentations, create presentation. You could make it a full-blown list presentation, but we're just going to go to CMA only presentation. This is just going to show us the data. Okay, this is very important. All right, knowing what documents you want on there. Obviously, there's a lot of documents clicked on here already. We kind of want to make it simple where the data is right there, easy to read. So a lot of times we have to go back in here and really fine tune it, minimize it if necessary. So I'm gonna uncheck some of these things and just keep the stuff that we really need, honestly. And you put your main references, your reviews and stuff if you want. Estimated net proceeds. Click next. Put your client's information. So this is going to be tester training. His address. I'll actually just put it on over here. Go next. Okay, you can customize a cover letter that's going to be in the front. So we kind of read it. Obviously, you can change this, kind of make it to wherever you want to. Dear tester, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to present the enclosed property proposal to market your home. I appreciate the time you spent with me reviewing the features of your home and outlining financial goals. All right, so obviously make this customized if you want. This is a good starting template. Go down here, select your MLS, Stellar, get listings. Okay, this is part some of you guys get confused on. If you guys are ever confused, just actually inputting the data into your CMA. Just check this out. So essentially, you're going to jump on your MLS, find the properties you want, click the desired properties, then click print. Okay, and when you're printing, go broker full, and then you're gonna see where it says print to PDF, and then we're gonna upload that into this page. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. I'm gonna make it pretty easy. An easy situation we can handle. Okay, just for this. So jump in your MLS, go to search, residential quick. I'm just gonna do a simple little condo downtown to just make it easy. So the scenario would be you have somebody trying to list their property, list their condo in this building right here. Okay. You can see there's 9 properties in this one building. What I'm gonna do to make it easy draw a quick radius. So the only thing that pulls up are going to be these properties. Check the results. Now these are all the active properties. As you see, they're going from all over the place, from 1 bedrooms to 2 bedrooms. What I want to do is see what's sold and what's pending. And also want to limit down the criteria. So the subject property, we're going to make believe that's a 2 bedroom. So we're only going to be pulling the 2 bedrooms in this property, in this building. We're going to go into results. Now we have the mixture of the actives, pendings, and solds. All the information here. Obviously, when you're doing a real CMA, you actually look in here and really know the data which you're looking at. But for simplicity, we're just going to check all of these. Okay. Now, very important, once you check all these, click print. Make sure you put broker full. And then right here, very important, print to PDF. Now, all the data is here on these MLS sheets. You want to download that. Now jump back to this and choose your file. Choose this file and upload. Now all that data is now from the MLS is now in your CMA toolkit. Make sure you either check all of them or the ones that you only want, and then click next. Then you can start customizing more of your subject property in here. You upload photos, all the stuff to make, you know what I mean, the presentation look even better. I'm gonna skip this part since this is make believe.
I don't know if they stopped doing that.
They're going to recommend a price range. Okay, so from the data we pulled, they automatically recommended a price range. Obviously, you go back in here and customize it if you want, okay, to kind of fine tune your picture on what you're trying to articulate. Next. And there's also this pricing strategy page at the very end. It's a good, I think it's a really good page to really define a pricing strategy and what you think about what's going on in the market, okay? So obviously go in here and customize this. Click next. Click create presentation. You could save the presentation. And by saving it, you're able to go back in there and edit and customize it even more. And that's going to be very important because it's not going to be perfect when you first look at it. You're going to want to add or remove any documents. So first you have it all there. Let's check out the actual presentation. It's our cover letter. Subject property, you see we didn't have anything on there, so we're gonna have to go back in here and remove this page, which I'll show you in a little bit. It shows all the comparable properties that are currently on the market. Nice, easy format. Currently on the market, on all the properties that are under contract. I mean, it took 6 days to get under contract, 15 days, all the necessary information that we need. And then the recently sold properties. List price, sold price, list price, sold price, days on the market. And then it even goes further into the properties again with, you know what I mean, you get to kind of customize this. There's options with additional photos or aerial views. This is the part. This is the part where you might want to take it out just to make it a smaller, easier to read format. As you see, we have a lot of properties on here, so it's gonna be pretty big. I'll show you how to fix that. And then it kind of, this is the part I like the best. It kind of starts putting things side by side. So these are all the actives. So hitting the pendings. And this part I really like too. It starts giving you the graph ranges, okay? And then more graphs on easy way to visualize it. And then this is very important, median price range, average dollar per square foot, average price range. Same thing with the properties under contract, okay? Then same thing with the solds. It'll show you the list price and what it's sold for. So you see, you kind of start developing a negotiation strategy just based on the data before. And you can see average sale price, 97%. So typically, when you list a property, from the data showing you're going to achieve 97% of the sale. Price on the sell, this is where we kind of give you that range, okay? Obviously, you could customize that. And then that pricing strategy we're talking about. And some cool little other stuff in there. Cool. You download that, and there's your presentation. Say if you're not happy with this, you want to take some things out. We jump back into here, click home, and then find your recently saved right here. So just click edit. This is all the stuff we have right now. Say for you want to add or remove pages, we're gonna click documents. Since we don't have a subject property and any of the information, I'm gonna take that out. Since this single property comparative makes the presentation really big, and if depending on what we're trying to achieve, we don't want that much space essentially wasted. We would take that out to kind of make it more simplified. You can add, estimated net proceeds, anything you want, but for right now we're just gonna keep it simple like that and just see the difference. Next. Now we're just kind of reconfirming everything again. Next. This might be a good idea too. Also start removing some of these properties that you don't think really is a good fit. Like maybe sometimes some of these outliers, like this one's really, it's just it's an outlier. It's noticeably a lot less expensive. Pricing strategy, kind of go back here and customize it again. Then we're gonna create the presentation. Overwrite tester training, save it. And now we're going to view the PDF. Now we're see, as you see now that subject property page, where all the missing information we've taken it out. We just have some of the pictures of the properties. You don't have those aerial photos anymore, taking up a lot of space. Is really a lot more simpler and concise. Price ranges, graphs. All right, simple stuff, makes it look very nice and presentable. Everything we need. I also suggest to get a finer insight on this when you're with your client. Bring your laptop with them, with yourself, and pull each of these properties individually, so you have the ability to actually look in, see the actual photos in detail, so you can really make a good comparison. But that's essentially how you do it. Obviously, you're gonna go here and save. Now you're able to send that to your client. Hope that helps, and catch you later.